I realized I wanted to work with animals when I was about 5 years old. It started then. I would start by going to the libraries and renting out books, and I would even write out notes from books on how to care for certain animals, which is kind of a little far-fetched, but I had the idea when I was about 5, and then it just progressively grew stronger and stronger. I've never lived without an animal since I was born. I've always been around animals, and they're just my passion.
Oh, I realized when I wanted to get into this field when I was really young. I came from a farm, so I had a lot of exposure with animals, and I was always curious to what he was doing, and I was very fascinated by what he was doing on the farm.
I realized that I wanted to do this when I was in high school. I have always had a love for animals. I was always bringing things home and trying to make them better, so therefore I chose that avenue.
I got into this program in the first place because not only do I absolutely love animals more than anything, but I can't imagine myself doing any other job. I want to be in this program and get a job in this field because I can't imagine myself doing anything else, and I would like to wake up every day knowing, like, yes, I have to go to work today and I get to do things that I love to do and care for animals, which is something that I have a passion and desire to do, as opposed to somewhere that you don't want to work and you think, oh, I gotta go to work today, and you're not happy about it.
From high school, I came straight to St. Clair College. There was never any option for me to go anywhere else. I was told, even in the 80s, that St. Clair College Veterinary Technician program was the best program to be enrolled in. So I didn't even look anywhere else. I came straight to St. Clair.
This program's been in existence now for 40 plus years. There's decades of experience with the instructors here in this program. Lots of applied learning, so these students, when they graduate, can just go on the job and start working.
It's basically like everything that nurses do, sonographers do, everyone, we're all that in one person for animals.
The jobs that they can get upon graduation from this program, they can work in the many veterinary clinics and veterinary hospitals. They can also work in zoological parks, wildlife services. They can work in pharmaceutical sales. They can work for the government. They can work in the pet food industry.
When I graduated, I had a job as soon as I left the college. That is one of the many wonderful benefits of this program. There is a high rate for employment. I had a job before I graduated. When I graduated, I went to a small animal practice. I had a wonderful vet that I worked for, and I worked there for 22 years. Many different experiences that we had. It's never a mundane type of job. And 15 years ago, roughly, I started working at St. Clair College in the Veterinary Technician, using some of my experiences to help teach some of the students that were up and coming.
I've enjoyed my experiences here at St. Clair. I'm ready to get going in the workforce. I'm excited to learn what else the semester has to bring for me. I've made a lot of new friends, new contacts for future references, and a lot of inspiring people that have inspired me to follow my dreams and be the best person I can be.
St. Clair College is a wonderful place to come to. I not only graduated from this program, I am now a technician working in this program, and St. Clair College is a great place to learn.
These students, upon graduation, can actually go out in the field and start working. They don't need any more training. They get all their training here at St. Clair College.